Imagine this, cruising down the open road in a motorhome that totally redefines what luxury means. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome isn't just any vehicle. It's a $3 million masterpiece made for people who want the absolute best in style, comfort, and cutting-edge tech. The moment you see it, that iconic Rolls-Royce Pantheon grille grabs your attention. It's polished to a deep, dark cherry gloss that shines like liquid velvet. This isn't just design, it's art, handcrafted with insane attention to detail only Rolls-Royce can pull off. Step inside and get ready to be blown away. This motorhome is like a floating five-star hotel suite. Rich mahogany floors, soft cashmere walls, and crystal chandeliers hanging from the ceiling set a vibe of pure elegance. The seats? Softer than any first-class airline lounge you've ever sat in. Every inch feels like indulgence. Behind the wheel, tech and luxury come together flawlessly. You get a fully digital dashboard with AI-assisted navigation, an augmented reality windshield, and voice-controlled climate zones that adjust to keep you comfy. Feeling tired? Flip on the full self-driving mode and let the motorhome do the work while you kick back and enjoy the view. Rolls-Royce gets it. Luxury is about freedom, not stress. The back lounge flips into a queen-sized bedroom with a panoramic 360-degree skylight so you can fall asleep under the stars, no matter where you are. The bathroom? It's straight out of a five-star hotel with Italian marble, gold fixtures, and heated floors. Oh, and there's a hidden champagne fridge. Because, why not? The kitchen is a dream come true for any chef. Voice-activated high-tech appliances like an induction stove, espresso bar, and big fridge make cooking feel like a gourmet experience. Rolls-Royce even teamed up with Michelin-star chefs to nail this part. Underneath all this luxury, there's power. A dual-motor, all-electric drivetrain pumps out 900 horsepower, pushing this rolling mansion effortlessly. You get a 700-mile range on a full charge, and fast charging gives you 80% battery in just 30 minutes. The ride? Whisper quiet and smooth as silk, gliding over highways and winding roads like a ghost. Here's the kicker. Only 100 of these will ever be built worldwide. Owning one means you're in an exclusive club of travelers who demand the very best. Price? Starting at $3 million. This is more than a vehicle. It's a lifestyle statement. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome isn't just about getting somewhere. It's about arriving, in style, with presence, wherever you roam. Lakeside, mountain roads, or city streets. It owns every scene. This is Rolls-Royce craftsmanship and innovation at its absolute peak. Tradition meets the future, wrapped in pure luxury. This motorhome isn't just a way to travel. It's a legend on wheels.